That will kill a person.
There's a note inside?
Yeah.
Congrats on your video. Keep shining, B-Bar team. That's all. That's really cute.
That's super nice.
Oh, it's so creepy. And there's a box here. Alright, so we have eyeshadows, we have a multi-stick. There's so many goodies here. So David's Tea sent over this package. I thought this was really cute. I posted that I really liked their cream of Earl Grey. And so they sent over this box. And it has matcha maker for matcha and loose leaf tea. And then in here we have blood orange Earl Grey rooibos, cream of Earl Grey. This one is my absolute favorite. I love this. And I posted about this on my Instagram stories. I have had a pretty long day. I just came back home from therapy. I have a long week ahead of me. I have a lot of work to do. And on Friday, it is Justin's birthday. He is a Pisces man. And so I need to prepare everything for his birthday. I literally released my first vlog yesterday and the response has been really good.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So I have to film this Instagram story takeover for a French publication called Billy, and I need to like do these stories in French. Some background is that I'm from Montreal, so since I was 3 years old I've been learning French, and I went to French school my whole life, and yet I still struggle at times with my French because since I graduated high school, I don't really need to use it. I'm not speaking French on a daily basis. I'm not really reading French. The thing is, like, it's totally fine. It's literally just me being self-conscious about my accent because I don't like how I sound. I don't like the Anglophone isms that come through when I'm speaking French.
That looks insane.
Oh yeah. Movies in the shadows.
Yeah, I'm in the shadows. Look at that.
We need to be more forward. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's much better. You didn't pay for my LASIK. These donuts, look at that. There's a little baby crepe and a syrup dropper.
Alright, which one are we trying first?
Maybe I eat half of yours.
Okay, we can do that. So what we have here is vanilla buttercream, sprinkles, funfetti cake slab in the middle.
What is that? What does that mean? What, like
have you
that's...
ever had funfetti cake?
No.
No, it's really good.
Those are really good.
This is really yummy.
Give me that.
I'm gonna have another one of those. It's a vanilla sprinkle donut. Happy birthday, baby.
Eyes closed.
Eyes are closed.
You can open your eyes. It's...
Oh!
So if you want me to unwrap it.
It's so cool. Oh wow. Look at those details.
Yep.
And my tattoo.
It's you.
It's me! Cheers. To us.
To us.
There are no people.
We have something very special for you, my love. We have little Mejuri.
Mejuri. I like Mejuri a lot.
We have not gotten to the real goods.
Alright, so we have a bag here. Inside the bag we have
A little Russian nesting though. Here's something.
so much packaging.
So much packaging. Flashy.
Oh. So cute. It's a little diamond K pendant. So pretty.
Dazzling piece around this equally dazzling woman's neck. Getting real close here. Very relaxing, eh? It has been. My feet feel softer.
His feet are actually softer than mine. It's really like not okay.
You need to be patient when you get to these guys. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Yes, yes, yes. Take your time.
No! No!
Okay, the tip is to look downwards. Oh my god. What the fuck are these?
That's new. Oh! Good job, good job, good job.
Yeah.
Good job, we qualify. We qualify.
We qualify.
We qualified. Alright, my mom's